Hello, Lesley Irizarry-Hougan here, immigration lawyer at L.I.H Law PS in Seattle, Washington. Wanted to give you the latest update on DACA, or Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. As of July 16th, 2021, the district court in Texas, the judge ruled that the DACA policy is illegal. Now, this lawsuit was filed a while ago, and we were waiting for a decision for quite a bit since December. We anticipated kind of a decision around then, but waited until July. But unfortunately, it is not good news. So this does only apply to people who have never had DACA. It does not apply to people who are renewing their DACA or who have DACA. They can continue to hold that status and renew it. Also request advance parole, which means that they can request to travel outside of the country. So this does not apply to those people. If the DACA was approved July 16th or before, then you are safe. You can continue to renew, move forward, and just know that you have DACA. Now, what about all those people who have not filed for their DACA, that were eligible or that they could apply, or people who had applied for DACA and had not gotten a decision? Now, I posted on my Facebook page a week ago or so that there was a severe backlog in DACA, initial DACA application decisions. So there were about 60,000 pending with immigration, and only 1.5% of those applications had a decision made on them. So there were a lot of people that had filed and had not gotten a decision. So what about those people? Well, it looks like immigration, due to this order from the court, cannot make a decision on your application. So it's not super clear as to whether they'll deny it right now. It looks like they will hold it in abeyance. And what that means, it'll just be paused. So it'll just sit there at immigration, and we'll wait and see kind of what happens with that. So the idea is, or the hope is, that the government will appeal this judge's decision, and maybe this injunction or the judge's order might be reversed, which means that then people can apply for DACA, or decisions can be made on those applications that are already pending. So that's the hope. I don't know what's going to happen. Obviously, this is an open court case, so we will see what continues to happen, what the decisions are. But to be clear, immigration will accept, it seems like they will be accepting new or initial DACA applications, but they will not be making a decision. So it's up to you. If you feel comfortable with filing it and knowing that you're not going to get a decision anytime soon or ever, and maybe lose your fees, then you might want to consider filing for DACA and see, what happens with the court case. And that includes like filing the DACA with the work permits. But just know that the government at this point cannot grant or approve any new DACA applications. So for people who have pending DACA applications, some have already gotten their fingerprints notices, appointment notices, also called biometrics notices. Those, if you have not already done them, are being automatically canceled. So if you have one set, it is going to be canceled. So you do not need to appear. So that's kind of where we are with the DACA program. I hope that things will get better, but as of right now, there is no new initial DACA program. So, unfortunately, I'll keep you apprised of what is going on. This is an ongoing case, so this is not a final decision, but it's also probably going to take a long time to resolve, so not quickly. Okay, so if you have any questions about renewing, about initial on your case, your personal case, because this should be something that should be discussed with an immigration lawyer as to whether your case, or in your case, you should take this risk and file for initial DACA. You should definitely consult with an immigration lawyer so you can get the benefits and the negatives explained to you for your personal case. As always, you can give my firm a call, L.I.H Law PS, at 206-838-7628. Have a good day.